The salah is your action. When you read the Surah Fatiha, that's your word. When you make salah, like standing, bow down, stand up again, and the sajda, the patirapa, and then kneel down. So you are performing the worship with your body. Like fasting is the worshipping through abstaining. You don't drink and eat. The giving the charity is the worshipping with our wealth, that we give our wealth for the sake of Allah. Now what is the salah? Before we can know the actual meaning of salah, we can just go for the literal meaning of salah. The literal meaning of salah is very, very beautiful. The salah in Arabic, swad, lam, ha, alif, ha, salah. In English, we can Englishize is S-A-L-A-H, salah. People say, translate it dasal, or in Urdu we can namaz, or in English they call salah is translated into prayer. But what is actual meaning? The actual meaning of salah is communication. It's just communication. Example, the telecom company in Arab countries is called Ittisalat. A telecom company called Salat. Ittisalat. Salat means is communicating, sending the message, conversation, talking with someone, communicating with someone through cell phone or through whatever. So this salah, when you come to prayer 5 times daily, you are coming and making communication with Allah. You are making communication with Allah. Fajr, Zohar, Asr, Maghrib, Isha. It's a communication. There is perfect meaning of salah is a communication.